see the visuals of my imagination that
Come to
was-
life.
Yes, that मेरे को क्योंकि समझ में आ रहा है तो मेरे को लगा कि ऑडियंस को भी समझ में आएगा. The male and female वो उन दोनों का ही शटर बंद हो चुका. मतलब the day they got married, a week later
Hi guys, welcome back to the Scoop Sisters. Today we do not have Miss Manali with us. Unfortunately, Miss Manali is missing, but we have a very special guest with us. Please welcome our very dear guest Shraddha to TSS. Welcome to TSS, Shraddha.
Hi.
So how are you doing, Shraddha?
I'm doing great.
How was your day?
It's great. I have been very rare moments of life जब मैं समय से पहले पहुंची हूँ.
I was late today.
So I'm
But
happy about it.
yeah, I am sorry for reaching late.
Yeah,
But yeah, would you take 2 minutes to just introduce yourself to our lovely audience?
Okay. Hi. Myself Shraddha Agrawal. So I am basically an artist who loves to write and make films and storytelling and editing and everything, painting a little.
So all things creative.
Yes, whatever. I am that little soul जिसको life दी गई है experience करने के लिए, and I love to experience.
Okay, Shraddha. So what was your first moment of realization that you thought that okay, this could be my career, like filmmaking or creative storytelling in any way?
Okay, so it was not like कि day one से मेरे को पता था कि मेरे को film making करना है. Initially during my school higher studies, so I liked writing. I liked literature because of my teachers, I guess. They used to teach very well. So I liked literature and then I used to write and back. Then in COVID, I used to watch a lot of films because कुछ करने को था नहीं मेरे पास. तो हाँ, and then I used to be very amazed, right? कि भाई, this is what I want to convey, this is what I want to speak. So I thought like along with writing, when I'm enjoying this what will I say, source of communication or media.
So you basically liked an artist's vision.
हाँ,
That is what pulled you.
yes. So I was like कि मेरे को भी ये करना है. So yeah, like that.
So what was like kind of your first project that you ever worked on?
In filmmaking,
Yeah.
the first project that I ever did was with your friend
Shrijita.
Shrijita. Yes, that was the first time we randomly thought
Let's shoot something.
Yeah, we were like let's shoot something. So I thought of an ad and we shot that with Shrijita and another friend. So yes, it was about Realme earphones. It was an ad.
Okay, so like after you were done creating the whole thing, how did you feel?
It was amazing. Before that, I used to write. I have written scripts and that for projects, homework, classwork. But I have never directed on set. So it was like when I have to tell people that you have to do this. But मैं जो communicate कर रही हूँ और वो जो
Interpret कर
कर रही हूँ उसमें बहुत difference था. And that was the first thing जो मेरे को पहली बार feel हुआ. But yeah, that was so much fun कि मैं उनको बता रही हूँ और फिर I can see the visuals of my imagination that
come to
was-
life.
Yes,
It was a very liberating feeling.
It was the best feeling.
So you just mentioned that it was not like something that you had known for a really long time. So walk us through a little bit of your career trajectory.
Oh yes.
Interesting story.
Interesting story. So it was like कि I am from Chhattisgarh, Basna. That is a bit small town. So there we did not had arts for our 11th, 12th, and so I had to take commerce. And then the best option that my family saw in commerce was CA. So along with CA, I was doing my bachelor's in commerce, and then COVID happened. So I did not get a chance to go out for college as well. So I did my college from Chhattisgarh only, and from like for my articleship in CA, I came to Kolkata. That's what I said to my family at least. Like we really fought for it. Like we includes me and my twin sister. She's also doing the same thing.
Oh.
So yeah, like they were saying कि articleship रायपुर में ही कर लो, like छत्तीसगढ़ में ही कर लो. And we were like कि नहीं, we want to go to Kolkata for articleship. There are good opportunities out there. But actually I wanted to come to Kolkata because I like this city a lot because it is very artistic, I feel. So yeah, you know, like the essence of Kolkata. So yes, that's what we came for. And coming here, then first time I did storytelling, and because these opportunities are not there in my
Your
place.
hometown.
Yeah, so I wanted to do other things as well if I had to do CA.
So
So
was it like a hard decision convincing your parents to shift from CA to filmmaking?
yeah, it was it was damn hard. मतलब, initially I was also in that mindset कि let's complete it. I have cleared foundation and
Intermediate.
So I was like कि okay, let's do it. Like I wanted to just complete it as a degree and then go for filmmaking. But when I was in Kolkata, like in 2023, so I was doing this articleship where I had the whole corporate life 95 experience, and that
You hated it.
yes, I hated it. It was like back then, which I was very sure कि मेरे को ये नहीं करना है अपनी जिंदगी में. हाँ, तो फिर I left my articleship and then I joined the film institute. And it मतलब तभी भी ये था कि ठीक है, I will like I'm taking a gap and then I'll complete my CA. But yes, I finally decided कि डिग्री लेके क्या ही करना है मेरे को, जब मेरे को उस लाइन में जाना ही नहीं है कभी. एंड मतलब पेरेंट्स की भी गलती नहीं है क्योंकि उनको नहीं पता कि स्कोप क्या है फिल्म मेकिंग में, इवन उनको ही ज़्यादा नहीं पता है. तो yes, they were worried, maybe they are. But yeah, they
Finally got convinced. So let's just say your realization of becoming a filmmaker had not hit you abhi tak. Say you were still a chartered accountant, you had passed and everything. Do you think you would like quit your career midway and then switch to filmmaking?
Yeah, like it's not a big deal for me honestly, because to me, I don't know why, maybe because of family background and everything. Like my father is a very enthusiastic person. Okay, so I had this mindset. I had this mindset कि okay, I do not have to worry about living, because he also started from scratch and he always used to say this कि दुनिया में बहुत abundance resources है, अगर like you just have to do it right and you can get a living. So I was not very वो कि CA, जब अगर मैं CA कर ली होती तो बीच में वो करियर क्विट करना उतना मुश्किल क्यों ही होता, when I know कि a living is not that hard. I can.
That's a very great mindset to have, I think. That is what I wanted to test. It was more of a psychological decision than a career decision.
हाँ,
Great. So every person has some sort of inspiration that they look up to. I'm pretty sure you have to.
yes.
Do you?
Yes, I have. Like obviously I do.
So name them. Like who were or what were your inspirations of becoming a filmmaker?
Becoming a filmmaker, like honestly, like as I said, कोविड के टाइम पे मैं मूवीज देख रही थी एंड आई वॉज नॉट वेरी स्पेसिफिक कि मेरे को इन फिल्म मेकर्स की मूवी देखनी है, बट आई नो कि मेरे को किस जॉनरे की मूवी पसंद आ रही थी और किस जॉनरे की मूवी मेरे को बनानी थी.
What genre?
Genre like revolutionary kind of like social impact movies, or also I love rom-coms. I am not a horror, thriller, psycho genre.
I'm not a thriller girl. But anyways.
Yeah. So, like me and my sister, like I said, हम दोनों बचपन से थोड़े ही एक्टिविस्ट टाइप के बच्चे थे
अच्छा
कि ठीक है पूरी दुनिया बदल देंगे. So yes, so I like obviously I am more interested in social impact movies. So directors like Ashutosh Gorkar or Anurag Basu, or people who make simple stories like Barfi, which is not about changing the world but
Has a
layers
different-
of life. Like I love movies that talks about layers of life.
Okay, that's great. For a film, or let's just say a photograph, or any creative element, what do you think is the more powerful part? The part that we see, or the part that is left unseen for us to interpret?
Like the inner story of the film.
Yeah, for the
Yeah.
human perception.
Like I'm the bigger fan of the inner story. Like yeah, it is more like one of our teachers says this when I spoke to him one day कि art do bring change in life and people's life. He was like कि I don't really think so. He was like कि we as filmmakers what we do is कि हम लोगों की जिंदगी का सोसाइटी का आईना सामने रख देते हैं और फिर उनको दिख जाता है. आधा उनको दिख जाता है और आधा वो समझ जाते हैं क्योंकि सबकी लाइफ में वही एक्सपीरियंसेस है. बस वो उस चीज़ को अनदेखा करते हुए जाते हैं. हम एज अ फिल्म मेकर्स उनको दिखा देते हैं. तो दैट इज आवर रोल. फिर वो लाइफ चेंज करें ना करें दैट इज देयर पर्सनल
Subjectivity.
subjective.
Yeah.
हाँ. So yes, I guess like obviously the scene part is
More out there for us to see.
but yeah, I am a bigger fan of the unseen part.
So it's like I give you a white page and you fill it with your own colors, like that.
Yeah, like because obviously क्योंकि मैं as a अगर like as a speaker I say a thing, like I show something in the story, but it is individual decision how they interpret. So yeah.
So if let's just say if we were to redirect a film that has already been made,
Okay.
and you can add your own little quirks to it, which film would it be and why?
Redirecting someone else's film.
Any film. It could be your film also.
हाँ मतलब आई रियली डोंट थिंक कि मैं किसी और के आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में छेड़खानी करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि मैं जितनी भी फिल्म देखी हूँ आई लव इट. लाइक आई डू नॉट वांट टू चेंज इट बिकॉज जो बनाए हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे से बनाए हैं.
And it's their vision.
हाँ and it's their vision. I would obviously like to do some changes in my already short films that I have made क्योंकि obviously शायद पर्सनली जब देखने जाओ तो समझ में आ जाता कि यार ये गलत हो गया इसमें थोड़ा चेंज करना था. तो आई वुड लाइक टू डू दैट.
Redirect your own films.
हाँ not all of them. There
Some
is
of
one. हाँ some of them.
Which one would it be?
It would be Kullad Kani. That was my first short film that we shot. So there is a bit like few things जो मेरे दिमाग में थे तो मैं वो चीज़ को लाइक मेरे को क्योंकि समझ में आ रहा है तो मेरे को लगा कि ऑडियंस को भी समझ में आएगा. एंड वी मेड दैट फिल्म एंड देन आई सॉ एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि ओ माय गॉड सो मेनी शॉट्स आर नॉट देयर जो होने चाहिए थे तब ऑडियंस को वो कनेक्ट होता और समझ में आता. अभी एज अ क्योंकि राइटर भी मैं हूँ तो मेरे को पता है कि वो कैरेक्टर्स क्या सोच रहे हैं बट शायद ऑडियंस को नहीं समझ में आया कि वो कैरेक्टर क्या सोच रहे हैं.
Perfect. I think we all learn from our past mistakes.
Yeah.
Even with our podcast, whenever I'm shooting, I'm constantly pointing out, Manali, we can do this better, we can do that
Yeah.
better. But I think being your own critic is what makes us better at our own job, hands
Yeah.
down. Okay, if you were to replace any character of any film, like any film that has been made with the characters there, any film, which character would you like to replace
Like replace as in
as the main character of that film?
Okay. Like the question is कि कोई एक फिल्म है जिसका कोई मेन कैरेक्टर है और कोई साइड कैरेक्टर है.
साइड कैरेक्टर भूल जाओ, कोई मूवी है जिसका हीरो या हीरोइन कोई है and the film has already been made and it's released. So if you were to replace that character in that film as yourself, as Shraddha, which character would it be? It could be any film.
Yeah, I would love to be Aditi in Ye Jawani Ye Diwani.
I think Aditi is one of the most realist characters.
Ah, yes, it was very realistic.
Yeah, she's very realistic. She's not ideal. She's also one of my favorite characters, and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is my favorite film. But okay. If we were to leave you with a camera right now,
Okay.
where would we find you?
Like everywhere. I'll start with the mirror maybe, and there are very cute little stuff. I was
That's catching your attention.
Ah, yeah.
So, like, from your filmmaker's vision, do I say that do you find even the ordinary things extraordinary?
I don't think so. Like,
Then if you were to like portray something, say you were to click a picture of this random Oreo biscuit,
okay.
you find some sort of creativity in it.
हाँ मतलब I do not like to do things very simple. I know I get in troubles क्योंकि मैं सिंपल नहीं बनाना चाहती हूँ तो क्रिएटिव की जगह कभी कभार थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स भी हो जाता है बट या लाइक आई लाइक टू डू समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग मतलब अगर नॉर्मल इसका फोटो ले लेंगे तो किसी को क्या ही मजा आएगा
Foodgasm.
yeah and I like to add nostalgia with things like that
So backstory is important.
backstory is important.
Okay, so let's just say if you have an unlimited budget
Okay.
to create a film, you have no creative restrictions whatsoever, you can make anything you want.
No.
What kind of story would you want to bring to life and why?
Okay. There will be many, like I want to do many. But right now, if you ask me, like, क्वेश्चन सुनते ही जो पहला चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आया बस I want to convey this story of my hometown. मतलब this is not just the story of my hometown, but it's like all of us. And yes, there will be social stories obviously with some characters जिनकी personal story चल रही होगी, but we will relate. So if I give a one-liner intro of that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I have decided the title of the movie will be Shutter Band.
Okay.
तो हमारे होम टाउन में क्या होता है महीने में एक दिन सारे दुकानों की शटर बंद होती है क्योंकि वीकेंड वीकडेज तो कुछ होता नहीं है उनके लिए सो दे क्लोज फॉर रेस्ट लाइक फॉर दैट डे इज फॉर रेस्टिंग फॉर द नॉर्मली बिजनेसमैन एंड या सो देयर इज दिस irony कि in my hometown back a few years back एक कोई थे like rich guy who murdered his own wife. So yeah, and like he showed it as a suicide attempt and then he got caught and now he is in jail and everything like that. But the irony is, it's fine. His shutter, like his shop is still there and people still go and buy stuff. Which is okay if you do not want to join personal and professional things. But the same thing, there was an intercaste marriage in my hometown. And this is very normal in villages back there. If you do something against the community, they will outcast you. So like both the male and female उन दोनों का ही शटर बंद होती है मतलब the day they got married a week later nobody goes to their shop they boycott them like you understand people don't have a problem in giving a living to a criminal who is proved criminal but like people who just go against the community they are boycott and if we have the power that we can boycott someone like we can say no then why don't you say no to the actual problem so yeah that's stuff that I want to do.
It's a very realistic but it's a very powerful story I think.
Yeah,
try making a film on it, we will definitely watch it.
yes we want to.
So being in the creative field, I think creative blockages are like non-negotiable. They are always there.
Yeah.
Do you face any sort of creative blockages whenever you are working on any project?
Yeah, I do. Like creative block is as in if I'm writing,
Hmm.
like at some point what normally I do is I sit with a blank paper and I do not instruct myself that I have to go this way. I let myself be, pen down the thoughts without any sequence, and when if I get stuck, or there are times when I have to go with a proper instruction and sequence,
Hmm.
then there is this thing is a bit problematic for me and I get stuck there. And yeah, but my savior always has been terrace. मतलब क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम पे एज आई सेड कि जब सीए चल रहा था तो आई यूज टू हैव माई क्लासेस फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 7 to night 8. So yeah, we do not have any other time for myself. I was not enjoying that as much. So either I used to watch movies at night or I used to go on the terrace and I used to just lay down and just breathe. So yeah, that used to that relaxes me a lot. So
It helps your creative juices flow.
it helps me to calm down. It helps me to see that the world is so much bigger than my problem. So
That
yeah.
is- that is us. I will plus one that.
Yes, and also I recommend it a lot कि फोन रख दो भाई.
Phone is the problem.
हाँ,
मम्मी
मतलब-
सही बोलती है.
सही बोलती है. मतलब क्रिएटिव ब्लॉकेज हो भी जा रहा है तो भी जस्ट डू नॉट पिक अप योर फोन और
Immediate blockage और एक और मतलब
हाँ.
barrier create हो जाता है.
और अदर देन राइटिंग इन फिल्म मेकिंग आई जनरली अभी तक की जर्नी में मेरे को जो प्रॉब्लम्स होते थे आई स्ट्रगल इन फाइंडिंग एक्टर्स एंड बिकॉज इन कोलकाता आई डोंट नो मेनी पीपल लाइक आई नो फ्रेंड्स सो बेसिकली वो बहुत लोग मेरे ही एज के होते हैं. सो इफ आई हैव टू मेक अ फिल्म जिसमें बड़े या छोटे कैरेक्टर्स हैं देन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम.
You could try reaching out to people.
Yeah, like we do, but still,
People are not उतना legitimate सोच के आते
I do
हैं.
not have a budget at times.
That's it. Filmmakers really do struggle a lot. I mean, budding filmmakers.
Yeah.
For sure. Let's just say we create a biography, a film on your life, Shraddha Agarwal's life,
Okay.
and you were to cast somebody else as the actor to play your character. Who would it be?
Okay. I know, like if I ऐसे दो ऑप्शन लेते हैं. एक अगर मेरी जान पहचान में so there is one cousin of mine who is a lot like me, like a bit rebellious, a bit creative, a bit in self-doubt. But yeah, she is great. Like she is pure and like bindas hai. So yeah, so I would like her to do my role. Or if else, if we go to the actors who are already there out there, so I would be blessed if Taapsee Pannu or
I
Alia.
was thinking of Taapsee.
Yeah, if Taapsee or Alia would agree, like yeah, I guess will fit.
Touch wood, I hope that comes true for you. Like, can we expect any new project out of you in the recent
Yes.
months?
Yes.
Would you like to brief our audience a little bit about what you're working right now?
Yes, I like other than film, I am working right now on a book.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it a poetry?
Yes, it is a collection of poetry, which is almost completed. Everything is done. Just I am not able to get a perfect title of the book.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We are almost close then.
Yes. So maybe in a month it will be there. And talking about film, I am working on two projects. So one is like both are short films. One is about you know that feeling कि जब हम बच्चे रहते हैं So there are things that we don't want to carry forward from our parents, or maybe just we don't like something of them. But बड़े होते होते we do not realize कि oh shit,
already have it.
we already have it and we are doing the same.
Exactly the same
Yeah. So that it's about that, and उस टाइम पे भी कोई ना कोई संभाल लिया था, अभी भी खुद शायद या कोई और like
You have really creative ideas, bro. These are like, as I was talking to her off camera, and I was telling her that her kind of style from my like viewer's perspective is that she does minimalism. She romanticizes minimalism and creates movies out of it, and I think that's a very up and coming. I don't think a lot of people do that. Yeah, it's a very unique and up and coming theme to work on, especially for films. And yeah, Shraddha, I wish you all the best for your future. And it was lovely having you for TSS. We got to know a lot about you. Do you have any questions to ask to our audience? Anything?
oh yes. Like I first saw TSS Shrilta के stories पे, and I was very
Curious.
I was very curious. Thank you for the word. Yeah. So I also wanted to start a podcast. Obviously, I think जब कुछ बचपन में शायद सबको
करना
हाँ, but me and a friend of mine, Aditi, हम लोग जब PG में रहते थे, तो we started one day we decided कि ठीक है अब तो start कर ही लेते हैं, and we started with the same phone or mic. एंड बट या फर्स्ट डे क्या हुआ कि हम लोग स्टार्ट किए और आधे के बाद वो बंद हो गया, एंड वी वर कीप ऑन टॉकिंग, वी डिड नॉट नोटिस कि वो बंद हो चुका है. एंड या देन वी शॉट इट अगेन वन डे, बट वी डिड नॉट
ultimately proceed with it.
या. सो यस, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू नो कि हाउ डू यू गाइज मतलब कैसे फाइनल किया कि ओके वी आर डूइंग दिस. और बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट, क्योंकि जब एक तो पहला इतने सारे लोग का साथ में कोऑर्डिनेट करना, दूसरा कि कंसिस्टेंट रहना, और तीसरा कि जब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा आउटकम ना भी मिल रहा हो तो यू डू नॉट हैव टू लाइक फील लो अबाउट. आई वांट टू लर्न दैट फ्रॉम यू.
To answer your first question, how we started was it was absolutely impromptu and unplanned.
Okay.
We were one day, me, Srijita and Manali, we were having a sleepover at Manali's old place. This is a new place, and that is basically like a hub that we had for our group.
Okay.
And it was just the three of us. Very recently, I'm talking October and November 2024.
Oh,
And we were just sitting down after dinner. We were having probably Coca-Cola, and we were discussing something. And what I did was I put my phone on a tripod stand, this tripod stand, and we put it at the corner of the room, and we made a time lapse video. And for whatever reason, Manali has always been talking about let's make a podcast. And I was like, I am the pessimist, okay? I'm like, it's not gonna work out. Nah, let's just not do it. It's too much. And we did not have that much clarity back then. Manali was like, let's just start. And then after that time lapse was shot, it was shot on my phone, and even to this day, I look back at that time lapse video. It's nothing. It's like probably a 20-second clip, and it's just a fast forward of us talking. And something clicked. Like it's just three people sitting down and talking, but people for that clip, the audio was not visible.
Yeah.
It was just the visual of us. And for whatever reason be it, I felt like that okay, maybe it's something that we can make, tangible out of it. And we started the first episode. We shot, me and Manali had the first episode. Just like you said, the first time you guys shot, you lost track of time. Me and Manali, we shot the first episode in a Starbucks. And it was the first time shooting in public. First episode, first time in public, because our flat was not ready at that time. We sat down and shot for close to 1 hour 50 minutes in Starbucks. We were sitting down and yapping. The first topic was love, and we are lover girls. But we kept talking and talking, and the time like it just passed. And that was the first time. And I have been that kind of person who has been a little afraid of public speaking and all of that. So that was the first time. Manali really hyped me up. Srijita could not unfortunately come for the first episode, and it was just the two of us. And that day I felt like okay, this probably is not as bad an idea. And the first episode was shot. We created a YouTube channel, we pulled it up, and we got good response from people. I think the first video had quite easily crossed 100 views, and I think for a first episode,
Yeah,
100
it
views is
is
like a
good.
very big deal. It's a very big deal, and touchwood, everybody around us has been very supportive. Like
Yeah.
all of our parents, our whole group. We do not have everybody here. 4 of our friends have moved out of town. But whatever much support, mental, moral, as well as obviously with other tangible things related to TSS, they're always there. Everybody is always there. So we get a lot of support, and the guest episodes, luckily we had a lot of people come through for the guest episodes, and that is what probably is connecting TSS to more and more people.
Yes, I
That
saw.
yeah, people like knowing stories of other people, and it's not just about from a viewer's perspective, because all of us as viewers also, once the episode is aired, we sit down and watch it,
Yeah.
and it's good to watch it from a viewer's perspective.
Yes, it is.
So yeah, the start was very nice, and we have been getting a lot of support so far. We do not know where we are headed. Whenever I'm asked this question, what's the plan with TSS, I'm like, we don't know and we don't
Yeah.
care. We don't care. We just like doing this. Sometimes we falter with consistency. एक week, 2 week नहीं जाता है episode, and that's okay because everybody's got other things
But
in life
guys,
also.
आज वो नहीं है, but still you're dead. And like, what else do you need?
That is the pact that we have me and Manali have, ki probably there will not be every day all of us will be available. Srijita is not available because of her exams. Today Manali is not available, and I had to come through. Some days when maybe I am not available, she will step in and take care of the episodes.
And also, हाँ, yes, sir.
Yeah, I was ending it.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को, मैं कुछ इंटरव्यूज देख रही थी, सो मेरे को बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा कि यू आर अफ्रेड ऑफ लाइक यू नो कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंटरैक्टिंग. You seem like flawless. As a viewer, I cannot imagine you as like having.
That's very sweet of you to say, but to break the bomb here, it is because of TSS.
Nice.
I had the first few times I have terrible social anxiety. Post COVID, I had terrible social anxiety, and I used to shiver
Yeah.
before like talking to somebody, initiating a conversation or whatever. I went to a few competitions, inter-college competitions. I was responsible for giving presentations. I remember the first time I was quite literally shivering before I went up on that stage and I presented my short film. Yeah, it was for an event in THK then, and I had other of my friends. Swarupa was there. Both of us were there on the stage, and she just clearly told me that I can't give the speech. You take over. And because I knew that there's no third person that I can just jump
Reliable.
So I had to take over, and the short film was a disaster because for whatever reason our luck did not favor with the whole process, the editing and everything. It was a disaster. But I still tried my best because I knew that the presentation is what probably can compensate.
Yeah.
And I gave my best, and I think that was the starting point. And from there, a few more competitions here and there, and TSS obviously. But my friends, they are
Yeah,
Jaan.
friends are-
They're my Jaan.
I agree with you.
They
bro.
hype me up with everything, and major part of why I am so fluent is because I would like to take this name. It is Miss Manali. She's always pushed me to give my best, and even for the first episode, she made me feel so comfortable. She's my pole opposite. So she's like so confident,
Yeah.
and she would speak the wrong English, but with confidence you would get confused. So, and you need people like that to look up to.
Yeah.
And I am very glad that I started TSS, and I started it with some of my most favorite people. And however, in whatever I am, a little better than yesterday maybe, it's because of all of them. And you guys, obviously,
Oh,
because I get to sit here and talk to so many lovely people and get their stories out. It's amazing. It's
Yeah.
truly very fulfilling for all of us.
Shivering before public communication is understandable. I used to, yeah.
I think we can work on it. Like eventually, both of us, we can get better.
Yeah, I started storytelling because of that. Like, I thought it will make me better, and it did.
It's very fulfilling, no? Once you do
Yes,
something that you
it
never
is.
thought.
Like, I remember there was once orientation in our CA, and the first class, the teacher asked a question on the board, and they asked us to write three biggest fears of our life. And my first top fear was public speaking. Can you imagine? And like a year ago, like after that, I was doing like shows and public speaking and stand-up comedy, and like I can't believe myself, bro. Okay, you did it.
It takes a lot to see you grow, yourself grow. I think you have to be your biggest cheerleader.
Yes, and
through
that's
and
the
through.
kick.
Yeah, you support yourself on days nobody else is supporting you.
Yeah.
And I hope that you make a big name in the filmmaking world. I would love to see a lot of more works from you. And hopefully we will have you again on this show
I would
with
love-
us. Yes, yes.
I would
And
love to be behind the camera as well.
for sure. We'll definitely contact Shraddha for direction. And she's very talented. I have watched her work. I have stalked her on Instagram. It's my
Me
ritual.
too.
It's my ritual to stalk everybody's profiles. But yeah, she's a very cute, humble, and very sweet girl. I had the chance to sit down and talk with, and it was amazing to have you on our show with us. Shraddha, did you have fun?
Yes, a lot. Like you can notice the difference between my first hello and last yes.
That's very sweet. And yeah, I think I would like to end our episode today here. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to The Scoop Sisters. Take care of yourselves. Do pursue your creative habits. Have some life outside your usual corporate or academic life, and have a little fun with life. It's one life you get. And we will see you guys in the next episode. Till then, bye.